Let's change the fabric of this 5-seater sofa together. We are going for a brighter look for a Bohemian theme. First, strip the previous sofa fabric as we prep the sofa for a new fabric. In the meantime, the tailor is stitching the new fabric as the fundis foam up the worn-out parts to revive the puffiness. Outside, we are preparing the spring cushions. We cut the previous cushions to create a base for the springs. These are the ready dressed spring cushions, high density and bouncy. Flashback to the old design versus the new look. Ten over 10 as always. Let us know what your rating is in the comment section. Follow our page for more interesting content. See you in our next one. Bye!